There are some graphs in the visual pricing system that are absolutely loved, but not used all the time. I wanted to show you how to use a couple of these so that you make sure that you know that they're there. Now the first one is we're going to go to the pricing section and click Create Graph Options. And under the Priceline options, go ahead and click Select Data and select the properties of the last 6 months, just so I can show you how to make a competitive price line. The competitive price line used to be a kind of a simple hand tool that real estate agents would color in with markers to show what's for sale, what's under contract, and what's actually selling versus what didn't sell. And so if you're still one of the people that love using this in your presentations, that is here and automated for you. And doing that is pretty simple. All you gotta do is go to the pricing, click Create Graph Options to select your information, and then click Create Graph, and it is created for you, which you can find down here in these tabs as well. The other graph that some people really love using is value positioning for pricing. If you click here, sorry I went a little fast there, positioning on the button on top, and the value positioning sheet down here in the bottom tab, you will find that value positioning worksheet where you can type in the seller's name, the address, property description, and all that kind of stuff, and really go ahead and price using buyer's eyes using the value positioning method. That is here for you and also very easy to find.